For each function, determine possible functions f and g so that y equals f of g of x. So this one in particular, I'll show you you know how in the last one we had like add 0, add 0, add 0, or multiply by 1? Yeah. There's a way to do that as well for these. However, this is actually fairly important to be able to see, can you see one function inside of another function? And this skill will help you next year in calculus. And so for A, when we're trying to write g of x inside of f of x, g of x is our inside function and f of x is our outside function. What happens second? Can you see that x minus 2 is inside of something being cubed? So we could make our inside function x minus 2. That would make our outside function just cubing it. Okay? In B, can you see that the inside function is 3 plus x? And what's the 3 plus x inside of? A square root. So our outside function is just the square root. We have an inside function, we have an outside function. Okay? Of course, you could have the inside function exactly the same as what the original one is. Okay? What would your outside function be then? It's not 1. It would just be keep it the same. So you could do that with this one. G of x equals the square root of 3 plus x. Then f of x would be x. Just keep it the same. Yeah, it's right. Although, in this particular case, what's done in blue is going to help you later on more. To be able to see, can you see that an x minus 2 is in front of or inside of an x cubed function? Can you see that the 3 plus x is inside of a square root? Okay? That ability to see one function inside of another is the ability to recognize a composition of functions. And that comes up, you can talk to the grade 12s that are taking calculus, that comes up when you're doing the chain rule in calculus. Calculus isn't that bad. So your final questions out of the workbook, 3, 7, and 9.